Send your Ghana for bread, walking paluta. Me say, me can say someone friend you artist number one, and yet, maybe who naked, me fellow and casa, because when you may, and then, when about me, the numerous air kutia. Na she was on train, mammy, fast saw Kimpaluta, fast saw.
I dream better than that quality. I'm crying than it man because wo presenter no, wo present wo friend wo show so meba or no presenter na o kasa o eh.
Nice GA.
Question I na obi ebisa na say yo Ghana ha nipa bi mu ye nipa bi eche obi ana yo ho kwan se nipa bi mu ekọ party bi ene yo ho kwan se nipa bi ntimi nko party bi ana se ne nyina yo party ba ko de ene ade ntina ye to aba asem no ye to aba for one reason me kan say and some so over and over. I don't know why I asked now. It be my dream when pay about too many politics musa because obi abesa radio so can you pay and now we are over the weekend and Kimpaluta ekoshia vice president or you need my vice president no kushia no komo bebre na course so like DJ vice president ni nyum ni vibe like MPs Dr. Mahmoud Baumia so na ni age wo hwe chema wontu mu nya no mani age ware the boni ni de wase mo so pan presenters so we are hey nkase me bisa say na see we nipa chan na see we nipa chan Kimpaluta ana na see de ni musical career ntimi say auto mama NDC. Why are you people doing this? It's not nice. O de yenko tie presenters nsem o makeka e de afa Kimpaluta after say oni you vice president ekushia ni yenko tie.
Send your Ghana for bread, walking paluta. Me say, me can say someone friend you artist number one, and yet, maybe who naked, me fellow and casa, because when you may, and then, when about me, the numerous air kutia. Na she was on train, mammy, fast saw Kimpaluta, fast saw. You have begun destroying your musical career. Eugene, unamobe musicians, tell them. If they want to continue, Nabio, Shatawale mu diomni mnyansa. Stombo mu diomni mnyansa. Before Stombo ni Shatawale mu, omo ba yes any man, na omba biodi omo. Kimpaluta so edwin. Omama ba me assign the planet ne kaze ni musical career. Say na why yi. What say o support ba me campaign. Okay, no problem. Ba me ne nkrofo ba tonyum, o stream onyum. Na omo a o time omo so be stream onyum. I am not here to end your political or musical career, but me tro nyansa. Me onim Kimpaluta mo fa video me onyanse mu no. He's a young artist coming up. And Crawford we kotamrem dida. Unya mo kotamrem. You are joining them to fall into a ditch. Ha me hwe fa Kimpaluta nyu bia ma me ha mo ya mo semuru ya mo nyumfu bia wa ha. Oh, I love that guy. Was it the last time I me bo ya de nyina ba ya sido den asido bibisa. Afraid of the Trumpwa. Also, when train my mea, when some train my will, no problem. Bamia, best remonium, why? Address of best remonium, why? Chama won't to be on best remonium.
In fact, I was on the show that Kimpaluta spoke, and I intended to speak with him after the program was over. Unfortunately, he was taken ill and he left. I do not know if I should still say this, or I should try and get in contact with his manager and speak to him privately. But for the love I have for the man who said he's been an underground artist for 17 solid years, I'm going to keep a big chunk of what I'm going to say to myself and get in contact with the manager. I truly love him. I truly love him. Now, things like this can crush a man's career. To say that the vice president is the vice president of the country, therefore you decided to go because he's a big man and therefore he represents the nation. Did you also look at the other side that he is campaigning? And for that matter, he is a political flag-bearing candidate. who is looking for votes. Did you ask yourself, all 17 years that you've been underground, did he ever look for you? You probably were not even known to him in his wildest dreams. So you must understand that there's a reason he's inviting you now, because you've made a hit, a song that is touted as the biggest in Ghana. Therefore, be careful where you go. My brother, I saw comments after the performance of King Paluta on social media. They are not palatable comments. It hurts me that being underground for 17 years, you will throw away the hard work just like that because of some lying candidate. Do you know how many meetings I have been invited to and I didn't? How many high-profile political meetings? Some of them were even supposed to be behind doors. I didn't go. You could be recorded. Anybody could see it. Be even true to yourself. My brother, I heard King Paluta say, if Mahama invites him, he would also go. Eish. The good thing is that, or the bad thing is that, depending on how you say it, once you have been seen to relate to one political candidate, the other candidate will never invite you. You have taken sides already. My dear brother, King Paluta.
Dr. Bawumia, vibe na ono kwa na ho a enye say who vice president be vibe with him. Yet see Ghana has say so yeah say Obama e wo list out here. Artists we din kopie ma na ye ka. Ono de onye president ni bi. Why are we so naive when it comes to politics? Why? Yen you create politics yen de be wi ase am. Ade ne afa ne so personal say. Ade nti wo ni obi nya adwa. Why ade ti na wo say obi aba wo party? Does it make sense? Why? Mr. Presenters, why? Now, as some we know, if you was negative, and the boy so crocky can't be chill, papa. You see, if you was negative.
Nasi, when you're musician. Nasi, when you're musician. Nasi, I know I NDC for you. I know I NDC for you. Do you want to hear a secret? Do you want to hear a secret? Yana min personal counsel. Mumbusa Nasi senenyo mo na pono. Why na saw only bulldog and sack. At the coma penny biwo. Jubilee House. Aya mumusa won. Mumusa Nasi say, oh jemonapo, jemonapo, jemonapo. Sanyo mono. Ya mumusa Nasi. Any bulldog. Make a mono with this CD in the Beshaye. And you're not that's all me BMW6 no. Me slide this CD. E share mana automatically na you're not download it. And you're not that's all me S6 mo. Bulldog ne Nasi. Morning time Nasi start here di mama NDC. Obi akochi na win. Obi abono. Ah? Mosaya no watch camera cha. And to one more talent no mo nya ne den. One more Chazagana hodie. E mo bia nya bibia.
Uti nsema if you was nigga, they are to your thing say yes. You both free pa. They don't say how? Na see any panchen Kimpaluta. Yanko na yanko take Kimpaluta ni reply or the man presenters. Yanko take.
Whatever, it's what as they say, hey, minimum co-joining NPP and all that. So what I say, but vice president aside the party, no, or your penny. So what I say, what turn is half row? What's a bra? So what I say, yeah, and the Kakana Mango. What I say, because Mammy Joe, me who present be or say, hey, Paluta, new artist, no come with the man who and what co-join NPP. I dream better dark one. I'm crying down it man because wo presenter no wo person wo friend wo show so a meba or no presenter na o kasa o no your friend or friend me when show so na man kwa unim do beka ono kwa no na na o ya nkwala o koma wo vice president. What's me say me yare so me buy. Me yare pa o.
Yeah, it's
Impaluta so actually na dwen. No kra no kan. En ko de ka na ko say president man bi o deserve. Esan say sika na o de share nyuni ma wa ya ma na aye ne de. So, e ma muntu woni nsi asante so. Just because uni obi nya adwene a men ka say uni ne nya adwene ti no ba bi a wo no na. Why? It doesn't make sense. Just all my party no amba or your enemy. Does it make sense? Oh God. Enyefe. Mumi ehwe saa bi ni nyina yenka. Saa say na mudi wi mudi ade pia be say oh party we akohwe we achi party we akohwe we achi party we ohwe. Like does it make sense? We just covered na radio so na mudi atem. Why? Enyefe. Munhwe yi. Na ono no ojejentwe bi ti radio so cassette sia yewura ba ahwe nanim kura anyefe. NDC presenter now no say panelist o say the NDC representative now o cassette here you can say fun kwa intima
Otufo can who be normal way in koso. Listen, we must tell him because look, the power he wields, if he decides to rebuke, politicians will set up and stop fooling. Okay, all the nonsense will stop. So, yen tia ye to amount. Yen who kwan ya fa so a ene adefefedi a wa ya aye ho kese a okwa obi ase a asante so ase Buckingham Palace meboa ye boa ye ka de wa ye bawomia we no matima be so ansa akobo ankra ne so fa so ne se bawomia ne so fa so ne se akasem so betima ye adwuma ben no wonder enu ti no tu for we you see emre bi otu for ka kire e Ghana for say akwa we Lawrence Ade oseche mensa busu se wa bone nkoso hene kabra otufuo etimi abo Lawrence Ade nkoso hene enkoso ben na oseche mensa dia ba santimem but listen enti sa obi beja wanim sama yoni na wo wetimi ansetse na anka nkyere no
on ni pa nim pa no cassette here you be ma nim pa no de cassette here you nsemfu ahi papa na message comment section where you dia mo so kire wadwi ayenko enen de di kan ya me subscribe button ne she na obi bia so enya bi message say my TikTok page no nice Ghana Twitter nice Ghana obetimi follow me no be bia at nice Ghana nice NICE na abo GHANA Ghana full no yes nice Ghana follow me na like videos it's all about Asante man any Asante sem me da asese ohwe me makra